I miss you guys so much. So this week I got really lucky. I'm in charge of your math fluency. And I heard from a little birdie that you guys really loved that mystery bag game that Mrs. Paul came up with. So I tweaked it a little bit and I made it a little more math appropriate. And we're gonna use it to introduce geometry this week. So geometry is the study of shapes. And by now you should have watched that goofy little shape song. So what you're gonna do, and your instructions are on the slideshow, but we're just gonna go over it in this example here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to create your own video. Choose one of the shapes from the video. It can be any of those shapes. I know you're probably familiar with a lot of those, but some of those might be new to you. So you don't have to choose a tricky one. You can choose the shapes that you're comfortable and familiar with. So you're gonna go through your house, which I've already done. You're gonna find an object that is the shape of one of those shapes in the video, which I've done. And then you're gonna come up with 3 to 4 clues, trying to get your classmates to guess what your item is. So one of those clues has to be a clue about the shape of the item. So for instance, my first clue is the shape of my object is a circle. So make sure that that is at least one of your clues. And I wrote a handy dandy little list of my clues so I didn't forget, but if you guys have better memories than I do, that's okay. Or you can come up with your clues on the fly. It's totally up to you. So this is my example. See if you can guess what my object is. So clue number 1, again, the shape of my object is a circle. Clue number 2, you would find this object in the kitchen. Clue number 3, one of these items is about the size of my face. And clue number 4, if mom or dad makes you spaghetti for dinner, you might put it on one of these. Now I'm gonna give you guys about 30 seconds to think and make sure in your own videos you are giving your friends time to think before you reveal your answer. So here is a short 30-second break brought to you by Ramona. Okay, so because of my clues, you guys should have maybe a guess or maybe a couple guesses about what my object is. My secret object that I found around my house was a plate. If you guessed it, give me a victory dance. If you didn't guess it, maybe you had another object that fit all of those clues. Perfectly fine. So you guys are going to make your own videos. Choose your own object that you find around your house that is the shape of one of those objects from the video and post it on your Flipgrid. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. I look forward to seeing those videos. Talk to you soon.